I have noticed on some of the problems in the textbook that their answers are wrong, and I do double check these for the most part, so it happens, but two of them previously were wrong in the book, but they're right in the videos. So, okay, so you look at this one and you might be thinking, oh great, it's factored on the left-hand side, which it is factored on the left-hand side, but unfortunately that doesn't really help us because we can't use the ZPP, we can't use the zero product principle because it's not set equal to 0. You can only use the zero product principle if it's set equal to 0. So what we have to do is we're going to have to multiply out the left-hand side. So we'll FOIL it, c squared. We're going to have an 8c minus 2c minus 16 equals 11. So we get c squared plus 6c minus 16 equals 11. But we don't really want the 16 there, so we're going to add 16 to both sides. Now we're going to have c squared plus 6c equals 27. Now we can start the problem. Okay, so now it's in the form that we're used to for completing the square. So we want to find, what do we add here to complete the square? So take the 6, divide it by 2, and square it. So that's going to be 3 squared, which is 9. So we're going to add 9 to the left and add 9 to the right. So then on the left-hand side, it factors. It's a perfect square trinomial. So c plus 3 squared equals, and then 27 plus 9 is 36. Now we can take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. Okay, then on the left I have c plus 3 equals plus or minus, and then, oh, I know the square root of 36. That's 6. Okay, so now I'm going to bring the 3 over. So c equals negative 3 plus or minus 6. But because there's no radical part, I can simplify more. So what's negative 3 minus 6? And what's negative 3 plus 6? Negative 3 minus 6 is negative 9. And negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Okay, so those are our answers. Pretty fun problem. A little bit of work.